हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बॅक टू अवर चॅनल ब्राईट फ्युचर क्लासेस। आजच्या क्लासरूम व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे। मित्रांनो, आपण आज आपल्या इयत्ता 9वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकला सुरुवात करणार आहोत। त्यातील आपली पहिली पोएम 1.1 वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर या पोएमचे आपण आज इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पाहणार आहोत। त्यासाठी मित्रांनो, हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्की बघा। तुम्ही जर आपल्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून घ्या, बाजूच्या बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा, त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या नवीन व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला लगेच मिळून जाईल। Margin questions. Question number 1. What would happen if the child tried to walk fast? Why? Answer. If the child tried to walk fast, it would fall because it is too small to walk fast or to match the speed of its father, walking at a good speed. 2. Does the word walk refer only to the act of walking? What does the poet actually mean to say? Answer. No, the word walk does not refer only to the act of walking. The poet uses the word walk to refer to the actions, decisions, and way of living of a person. 3. What do the footsteps of the father refer to? Answer. The footsteps of the father refer to the example set by the father, by the way he leads his life, so that the child can follow. 4. What qualities of your parents, elders would you like to adopt? Answer. I would like to adopt those qualities from my parents and elders which would help me to become a good human being. These qualities include having a regard for punctuality, working hard, being honest and confident, and treating everyone equally. English workshop. Question number 1. Put the words given in bracket in the proper blanks. A. The child is talking to its father. B. The father is leading and the child is following. C. Someday the child will become a father. D. The child does not wish to fall while following its father. Question number 2. Find and write pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer. First, small, fall. Second, see, me. Third, be, me. Fourth, true, you. Question number 3. The meanings of the words in the following pairs show that they are related. Father, child. Follow, lead. Find 5 more pairs of related words. Examples: teacher, student, doctor, patient, give, take, easy, hard, paper, pen, bread, butter, teaching, learning, live, die. Question number 4. What is implied in the following lines? A. Sometimes your steps are fast. Answer. This line suggests that sometimes the father takes very quick decisions and actions. B. Sometimes your steps are hard to see. Answer. This line implies that the actions of the father are not noticed or understood by the child. C. I would want to lead just right. This line implies that the child does not want to make any mistake while guiding its own child in future. D. And know that I was true. Answer. This line implies that the child wants to make sure that it has given its child the right guidance. Question number 5. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. Example: you are leading me. Answer: I am following you. My bike is chasing a car. You are walking slow. Question number 6. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or state. Examples: who will want to follow me when I am all grown up? Answers: I will see you tomorrow. When the rain stops, we will go to the market. She shall write all the answers. Question number 7. Discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. A. How are certain ideas, customs, knowledge passed on from the one generation to the next? Answer. Summary of the discussion. Through parental teaching, often the children follow the habits and manners of their elders. Parents train their children to behave in a particular way. Oral communication or the word of mouth is one of the significant mediums. Parents impart the ideas they consider better and useful to their children. Not only parents but other elders also help children to learn mannerism. B. Is it necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers? If yes, why? Why is it sometimes necessary to change the old ways? Answer. Summary of the discussion. Yes, it is necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers because one gets to learn from their experience. One becomes familiar with the ways and style of doing the things. People usually pass over their knowledge to the next generation. One will not make the mistakes which their older generations have made. However, it is sometimes necessary to change the old ways because custom and tradition changes with the passage of time. Old principles may no longer be applicable. There is nothing permanent in this world. Expect change. Every generation lives in a different time period. What was acceptable 100 years back may not be suitable in today's time. Question number 8. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Answer. Yes, my father is my role model. The qualities that I appreciate in his are punctuality, confidence, honesty, and discipline. He is a school teacher and he always completes his work with sincerity and dedication. He knows the value of wisdom and imparts the same to his students. Question number 9. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision actions of your family members but realized later on that they were right. Write about in 5 to 8 lines. Answer. I remember one such occasion when I was in class 8 and my parents had advised me to attend tuition classes for mathematics and to study according to a proper schedule. But I did not listen to them. I neither followed any schedule nor did I attend any tuition classes. Consequently, I scored poor in my exams. Then I realized that my parents were right and I should not have ignored their advice. Question number 10. Within 2 minutes, write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little. Answer. A little louder, a little distance away, a little while ago, a little story, a little rain, a little effort, a little of everything, a little bit of heaven. आय होप फ्रेंड्स हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत शेअर करा. आपल्या प्रतिक्रिया मला कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये नक्कीच कळवा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.